From your band's homepage, locate and press the chat icon on the bottom right. Whenever you create a band, a default chat room will always be generated for you. Feel free to use it. In this case, you can see the default chat room, Varsity Football 1. If you press into it, you now enter the chat room and can start entering messages. If you press the plus sign located to the left of the bar where you entered the text, some options appear. You can attach a video. You can attach a file. You can add a voice memo. If you press contact, your contact list appears and you can send contact information via the chat room. You can send a location. And lastly, you can start a group call. If you press the 3 lines at the top right, some options appear. You can turn off notifications if the chat room gets too busy. You can start a group call, enter voice mode, search for a particular message, see all of the shared photos from the chat room, see all of the received shouts, view chat member list, add a member to the chat room, copy the chat room URL to invite others in. If you press settings at the bottom, you can change the wallpaper of the chat room, clear the history, export chat messages via email. If you press view message readers, you'll be able to see who's read messages. You can manage your chat storage. If you press it, 3 options will appear. Do not store any chats, for 30 days, and for 1 year. And you can close the chat room. On the bottom right, you can leave the chat room. Back to the chat homepage, press the plus sign on the top right to create a chat room. 2 options appear, private and public. Private means that the chat room is invite only and only members of the chat can see the messages. Public chat rooms are seen by everyone in the group and can join the chat room if they want. To create a private chat room, just select the members you want to start a chat with and press invite at the top. If you choose public chat room, enter a photo, room name, and description. Then press done. If there are a lot of chat rooms, use the search bar to find the chat room or specific message. If you press the 3 right dots at the top right, this is where you can manage your chat rooms. If you are on your home page with all of your bands, you can access all of your chat rooms from all of your groups by locating the chat icon at the bottom of the page. A list of all the chat rooms that you are part of will appear with the most recent message from each chat. Chat rooms are great to create subgroups within your band. Create multiple private or public chat rooms and name them by each group. If you haven't used the chat feature yet, we highly suggest you try it out. Good luck!